So I'm going to show you how to make sure your folder is easily accessible all summer and how you can make it easy on your coach. So you should have received an email of a folder that was shared with you by your coach. I don't know about you guys, but I have so many different Gmail accounts. You got to make sure you're always in the right one. So I'm looking here. I am right now in my home one. I can tell because I have my triathlon picture up there. So first thing I'm going to do is open the folder my coach gave to me. And there's only one thing probably in your folder right now, which is your ETP template with your name. And so the idea is I want to get this folder into my Gmail. Now notice this time it might take you to your school one. It might take you, anyways, I don't want it there. I want to go back to my home one because that's where I'm going to do all my summer work right now. And it says the owner's Deborah Demas, which is a little confusing because I'm the coach of myself. But I can see that it's shared with me. But I want to take this folder that's named by me and I want to add a shortcut to my drive. So first thing I had to do was make sure I had to open it. And then I had to make sure I was in the right Gmail account. And then I'm going to add a shortcut to the folder. So I'm not adding the doc, I'm adding the folder. So I'm going to add a shortcut to my drive. And I'm going to go to my drive. And then you have to decide where you want to put it. So I have, family stuff. I probably have an ignited folder, or maybe I don't. All right, so I'm going to make an ignited folder. So I'm just going to say ignited 2021. So I know that this is my ignited folder 2021. And I'm going to add my folder to that one. Oops, didn't want to add a folder. I just want to add a shortcut right here. All right, so now if I go to my drive, and I scroll down and I find Ignited 2021. There it is, right? So I can put anything in here, right? But my coach won't be able to see it. But I can easily find her folder. So I can put it here. And so now if I add a new, so I can type in this because she shared it with me or he shared it with me. And I can put all my information in here. And it says I'm currently in this account, which is always good. Always make sure you're in the right account. And then I want to add a new, so let's say I'm going to do a lesson. So I say new, and I say a new Google Doc. And then notice it says create and share, because if I'm in this folder, when I make this, it will automatically share it with my coach. And now I could say this is my ETP lesson 1, whatever it is. And then I can type whatever I want my lesson to be. And it should automatically be shared. I can click on it just to make sure. But see, there's my coach and there's me. So it's all shared. So it's all good. If I come back over here, you can see it's in this folder. So it is in my shared with me, but then this can get buried as you start having more and more. So, I mean, you can always get back here. But now it's in my drive, remember, because I stuck it in my drive and I have a folder, and in that folder is the shared one. So I want to make sure I'm always putting it in this folder, whatever I do for the summer. If I want to just do it, maybe I want to do other files, I can stick them in here and have them all in one place. And my coach won't have access to them, which is fine because you might want to do things there as well. Hopefully that helps.